In this video, I will show you how you can reteach the work object. You do this on a real robot. I will show you how to do it in a station because it's easier for me to film and to explain at the same time. So at first, you go to your simulation and look at your work object, how it's placed. And then you go to the black box in the shelf and take out the orange coordinate system, the robot coordinate system. And try to position it on the real station exactly as it is in the simulation. And think about it more than one time if the position is correct, because a lot of times we misjudge the position of the z-axis and this can result in collisions. So now I remember for myself, I know the x direction is this direction and therefore I have to yeah, I remember this is the x direction and this is the y direction. Then go to the teach panel, and of course you first have to mount and teach the tool needle. You will, if you passed the video before, go back to that video and do that before. Okay, then when you're on the teach panel, go to the menu, to program data, watch data, show data. And this is for me the red tray, so let's go on the watch red, edit and define. And now we use the user method, and now we have to teach 2 points on the x-axis and 1 point on the y-axis. So this will be the x2, this will be x1, and this will be y1. So now go to jogging, and for a tool we use the tool needle. And the work object 0 is the work object when where the distance between this will be calculated. So if this is 500 millimeters away, it will be 500 millimeters away from the work object 0. Then go to jogging, and in for you have to press the switch on the back with the left hand. I just press here on enable and go here. Let's do the point x1 first. So that's approximately where it is. And now I will zoom in a bit. Let's get the z-axis somewhat okay first. Okay, this is fine. And now we have to place it in the middle here. I will hide this so we can see better. And I will also hide this so we can see better. We want to place it exactly in the middle here. Okay, then I'm quite happy with this. So let's move down. In this case I wasn't in the right position here. So let's adjust this. Okay, so now I'm quite happy with this position. Now go to program data again and save this as user point x1. Okay, then let's just move up, and you can, by just jogging in this direction, you can get easily there. But then of course we have to make it more accurate again. But we can go here first. Okay, perfect. Let's look again. For you, because you're in the real station, you probably will have to change more than me, but I will just go down if the z-axis a bit. That's fine already. And maybe a bit here. This should be maybe like this. Then x2. And now we have to move here. This is the y-axis. So let's move up and here and here. Let's again adjust the z-axis first so we can see anything. This was a bit too much. Let's go up like this. Perfect. Now let's adjust this was. And now, okay, we're not quite in the middle here. Maybe like this. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this one. So let's move down in the z-axis. Again, let's look at it from this view so we can see better. And if you have trouble with the velocity of the robot, you can also go here to jogging and then choose increments. And then the robot will move linearly, like the speed is linear. So if I press, even if I keep it pressed, then it will always move at the same speed. I think it's sometimes easier to move with that mode. So, and okay, now go to, let's control the point again if it's good. That's quite okay. So let's modify position and okay. And now you should go to the rapid module in the simulation. I will show you. For me, it's here in calibrate data, and look at the work object. And now we compare these values, also the orientations, with the values here. So it's 409, 310 minus, and 206. That's very good. And it's 0, 0.7, 0.7, and 0. So this is quite good. If you always control this, if there is more than like maybe 2 centimeters that's different from the simulation, then control it again, then you most likely have an error. So, okay, and this is how to teach a work object. And